Here RM is to find out the angle between two vectors, A vector and B vector. For the calculation of angle between two vectors, we know that we'll use this equation, that is A dot B is equal to AB cos theta. So we can write this cos theta is equal to A dot B divided by AB. So first we can find out what about the dot product of these two vectors, A vector and B vector. So if you are finding out their dot product, A vector dot B vector, what we'll get is 3 into 3, which is 9, 4 into 4, that is 16, minus 5 into 5, that is minus 25, and we are getting this is equal to 0. So we know that if dot product A dot B is equal to 0, that means theta is equal to nothing but 90 degree, or cos theta is equal to 0 means theta is equal to 90 degree. That means these two vectors are perpendicular. So whenever dot product of two vectors is equal to 0, that means two vectors are perpendicular.